Hello everyone, Romancer X here. Today we are doing an unboxing from Vshojo. This is the Henya Genius jacket that I ordered back in June. Came in this plastic bag. Open it up. Well, has some decent weight to it. See the tassels? Let's open it up. So there was only one size of the Henya jacket. Pretty sure. Yeah. It was like a one-size-fits-all type deal. These strings. Nice little ring. Did these do anything? Oh, they come off. I guess they're removable? I don't know, that's weird. They attach to the back. Really weird. Does this come out? So that one's tied better. But this one like came out really easily. I don't know if it's supposed to do that. Let me try this side. So that one you had to pull a little bit more. I know it's for the look, but I feel like they should have had a better idea of how to keep that in there better. Let's see, let's look at the back. Flip it over. So it has like, that's where the other things are attached to, these ones on the back. This is the shoulder. A lot of moving parts, which, judging from the picture, it was going to have a lot of moving parts. You can see the straps down there. Yeah, the other arm doesn't have. No, both arms do. Yeah, here's the other arm, left arm, right arm. Cody. It's kind of like a windbreaker. Let's see, let's open it. Tight. Oh, there it is. Just a tag on it. There you go. Henya. Oh, it's just in Japanese under it. Kind of mesh back into it. Oh, those things like go inside. I don't know how I feel about that. So you'll feel it like in your back. Okay, I'm gonna try it on. Yeah, it's not that thick. It's definitely something you'll wear just to like, if it's like a light wind, definitely won't keep you warm. Yeah, you can tell the material's kind of thin. Not bad. I will say it's kind of weird, like when you put it on, like a lot of mesh comes out when you put it on. Not necessarily comes on out, but follows your hand when you're putting your arm through it. Yeah, like this. It's kind of hard to fit your arm through, and then like these kind of get in the way of putting your arm through. You gotta like make sure they're not tangled. Kind of all over the place. I kind of wish it was just like attached to it, like hard attached to it. Just makes it harder for you to put your arm in it. And like they made it adjustable, but I don't know. Yeah, I wish they had just like made it all decorative. Maybe, well, these are cool for the hood. Yeah, you can pull them. Makes the hoodie smaller. But like, I wish this was just hard to attach to it. Like, you couldn't take it out. These. Yeah, these I don't like. It's on her hoodie, on Henya's hoodie, but like, for like something other people have to wear, it's like, look at that, it's just two straps. I wish they could have just like attached it, like right here. You can take them off. I don't know. The look, similar to Henya's. Practicality, I'm like, probably give it like a bad rating. It's not that thick. Very thin. I don't know if I'd actually wear it. I'd probably just wear it just for looks, like, and probably just once. I feel like this stuff would get in the way, or these things would just come out of the socket, and I might lose them or something, or they'll drag on the floor. Like, say when it comes out, then it's like super long. So, I like Henya. That's why I bought this. Like her coat. Thought it looked cool. Actually, don't know. Okay, there it is. Couldn't find the hole for a second. Put that back in there. Okay. Yeah, just it was all just attached hard to the coat, just for decoration, instead of like everything removable. The coat material's not bad. I just thought it would be a thicker jacket. Don't really like this mesh too. I'd probably give it like a 7 overall. Maybe a 6 if like everything like fell out. Okay. But Henya the Genius is awesome. She streams on Twitch. She has a YouTube channel for clips. Subscribe to her. She's great. Code is average. Thanks for watching.